Are you concerned about what would happen to your finances should you be diagnosed with a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, or some other critical illness? You should be concerned. The fact is that Canadians are more likely to experience a critical illness than they are to die prematurely. Is this your situation right now? You really feel like you're on the right track. Your life seems to be going just as you planned. Maybe you have a family, the job you always dreamed of, or maybe you have your own business, and you're doing all the right things. You have even made plans for a rainy day. You got life insurance. You're saving for your retirement. You're putting money aside for the kids' education. And then it happens. You're diagnosed with a critical illness. What happens to your plans and dreams for the future? Being diagnosed with a critical illness can be devastating for you, your spouse, your family, your business partners, and your finances. Even though your world may seem to have come to a sudden halt, the reality is that life goes on. Your bills will still arrive and your mortgage will still have to be paid. You may also face additional costs that accompany a critical illness, like specialized equipment, renovations to your home, or have to buy medications not covered by the government health plans. If you have to leave your job to focus on getting well, how will you be able to afford all this? If you're like most of us, you'd have to turn to your savings. How would that change your plans for the future? The answer is simple. A critical illness policy provides a tax-free lump sum cash benefit upon diagnosis of a covered condition that allows you to use the money any way you wish. Critical illness insurance can help you to realize your dreams for the future or to continue doing the things you've always done. Critical illness insurance is about recovery. It's about quality of life. It's about living. So how do you know what is the best policy with the best insurance company for you? Well, that's where it gets tricky, because even though there is many companies that offer critical illness coverage, not policies are the same. Some policies only cover the major three illnesses, which are heart attack, stroke, and cancer, and some other policies cover up to 25 more illnesses. So the bottom line for you, you need to shop and compare. Let one of our experienced and licensed brokers show you a comparison of all companies and options so you can make an informed decision. You can start out by filling out the form on the right and let us shop the market for you and give you some quotes, but also please give us a call to discuss the details to be sure that you get the right kind of coverage. 1-800-683-5423. Thank you so much for listening.